Welcome back. Matt Zertuche with Payments again, and I'm here with Christy Jones, Holistic Health and Wellness Coach, and she's going to show us a few tips of things she teaches parents and kids.
So one of the things that I love teaching parents and kids is that we have a natural state of balance in our body. And our natural state of balance is a cool head and a warm abdomen. Do we make better decisions with a cool head or a hot head? What do you think, Matt?
I'm going to guess cool head.
Cool head, right? So when our kids are upset, do you think they have a hot head or a cool head?
I think they have a hot head.
They have a hot head, right?
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes when our kids get upset, they have a hot head, and then we might get a hot head.
This is true.
So would it be useful to know how to create a cool head?
It would be very useful. Yes, please.
Yeah. So we can use our body to create a cool head.
All right.
So do you want to try that?
Let's do it.
So we're going to do something called head, heart, tummy tapping. We're just going to show you a really quick version of this. You could spend more time in each spot if you wanted to, but we literally want to bring our energy from our head to our abdomen because it's our gut that's controlling our health. We want a warm gut and we want a cool head. So we're going to stand with our feet shoulder width apart. And bounce your knees. And breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And get your fingertips out. And we're going to tap our head. If you want to close your eyes, you can. But what we are doing right now is we're increasing our blood flow to our brain and we're letting go of tension. So teaching kids that they can be in charge of their emotional state and giving them tools to regulate their emotions is really powerful.
It does feel pretty relieving.
It's kind of like a massage for your head, right?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. So tap all over, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. You're literally relaxing your brain. Next, place hands like this, and we're going to tap our heart. So right here. Doesn't this feel good, Matt?
It sure does.
Do you feel your head getting cooler?
My head is cool as a cucumber.
So this is really good when our child is angry because it's literally bringing their energy down from their head. So it's cooling off their head. Really good for anybody that has asthma or gets coughs a lot because they're increasing the circulation to their lungs.
Ah.
Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
Our body is amazing. So even just put your hands down for a second, Matt, and notice, what do you feel so far?
I feel my fingers tingling and my arms and kind of like a blood flow feel from all over.
Blood flow means healing.
That's awesome.
We like blood flow.
Yes, we do.
So next place we want to tap if we want a warm abdomen is we want to tap right under our belly button and tap and bounce your knees. So this is what little kids, I call this tummy drumming.
Okay.
And close your eyes.
Some drums beat a little louder than others.
And you can have music on, right?
Yeah,
and have some rhythm, right? That would be good too. And then just stop and put your hands down. Take a breath in. What do you notice now?
I notice that I'm calm, and my arms and my stomach feel a lot of blood flow.
Isn't that cool?
That is.
So do you have a cool head and a warm abdomen?
Totally cool head.
Woo, that is
Warm
your natural
abdomen.
state of balance. Awesome.
Right.
So cool. So this I teach over 2,500 kids this school year so that they can learn how to bring their energy down and create that natural state of balance. Isn't that cool? I was working with a little girl yesterday and she said, I feel that I can be in charge of my emotions now. 8 years old. One time I'm doing this exercise and that was her observation. Kind of cool.
That's incredible.
Yeah. So we will have to do another video for another exercise. That'll come up shortly.
See you soon.